a good way to start. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Red, White, and Boosted. My name is Corey. This is
Colin. What's up, fellers?
Wherever he just went. Today we're back in the shop. We're working on the Triumph TR3 project. And today we're going to be doing rust removal.
Cut the body!
I don't know what drugs he took, but I'm upset he's not sharing them with me. We got a lot cut out for us today. Yep. And for whatever reason, he's decided to tackle the stuck door hinges or door latches. He's gonna break this thing. I just know it. I just know it. But we're gonna be doing a lot of trimming, getting this ready to go onto the Mercedes. So that's what we're doing today. Come on along with us and enjoy it.
Oh yeah, come on, fellers. I'm done. I swear I'm done.
All right, let's get into it.
If my songs go pop, 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 what makes you think I'm not okay with that? I took my backpack off, ready to change the game and run the track. Y'all thinking I'ma fall off? I'm Thomas the Edge. I got peace songs, hope you ain't so hood that you can't kick it, get it, have a party. Oh shit, homie, don't hurt nobody. Let your knees drop while the beat rock. Need my scheme seem something like P-Rock. You gotta hit the G-spot. Life's too short like an Ewok. Live it, let your nerves shake while the earthquake. Do the bird like it's purple rain. Now say something stupid about girls and drinks and slur your words and sip on Chardonnay. Now roll some up. What you waiting for? Roll some up. Eyes low if you roll like us. So when I say so, everybody jump, jump. But we don't chase cream, so we feed it to the children. Paint new faces on the canvas as I write classic poems like Sanskrit. Epic, 3 letters, don't forget it. Pronounce soul, but I got soul in excess. The next best to the best, but the best ain't rain yet. So I guess we all kings, yes. A rising tide will raise all boats, but if you throw stones, nobody floats. Negativity breeds nothing but ills. That's why I paint the perfect picture with the team that I build. Say cheese and pose like a G and some gold dookie ropes like Run DMC. Too many homies on my team, made a whole fucking album with my family. Yeah. Can I get a soul clap? Let me get a soul clap. Can I get a soul clap? Soul clap for me.
Wow, that's a lot more room.
Heck yeah. Let's do it again. It's actually going to look like it'll fit over it, you know, once it's opened up a little bit.
Yeah.
More top. This makes me really excited to start the Austin Healing.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I'm going to have to get another box of these.
Running low?
Huh?
Running low?
Yeah, I've got more in my truck box, but try to leave those for jobs. But you know, if you guys like and subscribe, I won't have to do my day job anymore, and that'd be cool. I don't need 1 million subscribers or anything. Just enough to where I could still buy Taco Bell.
We would do with 1 million subscribers, though.
Huh?
I would like 1 million subscribers.
Of course. I just want them to know that I'm not greedy. I just want my Taco Bell. You know?
Yeah.
I just want to build cars. That's it. Is that too much? Is that too much?
Fuck you! You should have never cut up a Triumph!
It's been a while since I jogged our Triumph lovers.
They're loving it.
Well, this is a gently used coil pack holder.
Coil.
If you're in the market for one, this is $150. So holler at us.
What makes you think I'm not okay with that? I took my backpack off, ready to change the game and run the track. Y'all thinking I'ma fall off? I'm Thomas the Edge. 2 seconds, you get your rocks off. That's why they said you're all soft. So I paint over the scene like I'm Bob Ross. I got weed songs. If you smoke good.
Woo! I love cutting up classic cars.
God damn it. They fucking hate us.
Now let me clarify that. I like cutting the rust out of classic cars so I can put new stuff back on
Ooh. Alright, alright.
them. You can't forget the Nokia used to just be a rust box, and now it's brand new, so making classic cars great again.
Now it's a primer box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we can avoid fucking with this at all by just ripping straight up.
I think so too.
And then we could
It's kind of what you started right here and then come up to here and then cross here.
Oh, you want to come off? Okay, this line. I don't know. I kept thinking this line. Yeah, that's cool. That'll
Just so we
work.
can leave the vent tags.
Yeah, absolutely. Or we just need to drill those off and put them back later.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, we'll do that, and that way we'll maintain some structure, and then we won't even have to fuck with this anymore.
Yeah.
It was nice to have tried, but
That's like a fender seal. Not sealing so much anymore, huh?
yeah. Unbolt.
Just leave it there.
I'm coming up, pretty much coming up along that line now.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, right up against it?
I need to come inside of the cowl. So actually,
Yeah, that's...
you know what? That's the perfect thing. I'll
yeah,
just
just
those.
leave that as a guide.
Yeah.
What's this? What is the body sitting on? Oh yeah, we're good.
Yeah, it's sitting on the rockers. Something has to be there.
There you go. Wow. Wow. All right, fellas, we've done measured everything up here on the berry farm. Hey, tell them about the drive shaft. Get the drive shaft, Corey. Get the prop.
Jeez.
Get the fucking prop, man. Jesus. No.
I mean, it's not.
Demon.
How else would?
Demono. When YouTube asked me, is this made for kids? No. So what we got here?
So we got our drive shaft shortened. We went over to Driveline of Atlanta.
North Atlanta Drive Shaft Service. Is that what it's called?
Driveline service of North Atlanta. It's fucked up that I don't know that.
Yeah, it is. They're
Up.
definitely never sponsoring the channel.
It's messed up that I don't know that because I've had 3 drive shafts made by them personally. This is the 4th one I've been a part of, I guess. But this is shortened and ready to go. As you can see, we shortened the car.
They said that most shops said that what they did was impossible.
Really?
Yep, because German cars have something called friction welding. And they said that you can physically not re-weld a friction weld, but they turned it down. They cut this out and then turned it down and slipped it inside of it. Genius.
Hey, they're the best in Georgia. I would probably reckon. You see a lot of guys talk about them on other channels. They're every bit of the magic everybody says. And it was like, what, 150?
Yeah, it was
bucks?
affordable. Yeah.
Every shaft I've had them do is no more than 250.
Yeah.
So they knock it out. But this is ready to go. We'll be bringing this car in next time to start trimming it a little bit more. Now that we got the body lightened up, and we'll walk in there in a second to take a look at that, we'll be able to set them side by side in the shop and actually start really getting measurements side by side and
lifting on, trimming.
Yep, seeing what we got to do. But as far as it looks right now, we're sitting pretty good. We will have to hide a couple things up here and, you know, keep doing some trimming and this and that, but that's the fun about custom builds. So assuming I didn't lose the remote to the ignition, we should be in pretty good shape.
Fuck me, dude. I can't believe this is a conversation. You have one job, Corey. Keep the shit.
None of my vehicles have a computer, so this is kind of new to me. Let's go check out the car.
Yeah, Tetsy. Look at how much you cut out, bro.
I know. It's always amazing to see the scrap pile after a cut like this.
Where's your light?
Just keep it rolling.
Woo! All right. You are popping off, buddy. Okay, so tell us about it.
It's a 1953 Triumph TR3
So
body.
many wrong. So many wrong. Oh my God.
All right, we've done a lot of weight reduction today, beyond the natural stuff that's still occurring as we speak. We've got pretty much everything trimmed out to our liking so far.
They used a, looks like a can right here.
Actually, it's probably HVAC ducting.
Oh yeah.
It's aluminum
Yeah.
sheet, readily available.
God dang HVAC, huh?
So we did learn today that this rocker is in better shape than the other side, but it's still pretty rough. Actually, this one's really nice.
You have some inside rust up there, but I mean, all in all,
Yeah.
for junk cars, these are pretty good.
And that'll clean up, and at least there's something to weld back to if we wanted to re-stabilize all that.
Yeah.
And now basically the idea is this car is just gonna sit down onto the chassis of the other car, and I've got to figure out how to mold them together. But as we stand right now, we're in great shape to be really getting some motion going on this. So if Colin wasn't ADD, he'd be over there silently filming, but he's got to do something. He must be bored. Am I boring you, Colin?
Nope. Guys, thank you so much for watching Red, White, and Boosted. I'm Colin. That's Corey. And this is the Triumph build. So we're getting closer every day. It's starting to turn colors here in Georgia. And we're hoping to have this on the road relatively short. So stay tuned, subscribe, share it, tell your friends, and let's get to building.